Hello, everybody. This is Mo Mudhubunti. Many years I have been doing the internet business, and I'm also involved with various different kind of what do you call revenue share business. So not that all of the business was really brought the good result, but some of them obviously brought a very good experience and take me to the next level. But along the road, I found this My 24 Hours is an excellent program that brought to us by Drew Burton and Fahim Rajput. My 24-hour income is amazing system he developed with his long-term experience, and which he will be explaining in this video. This back of his video, everybody can listen to that and learn about him. Who is he? He's from Canada, Toronto, and he was many different business doing the mentoring and coaching. He learned and he brought his full experience, extreme experience and knowledge to this business. And only 3 days, 8 hours, 52 minutes is left to launch this business. It will be launching 14 August 2016. Wow, what an excellent waiting time. I just cannot wait to see that the My 24-hour income is launching. So I am very excited, and I just started this yesterday, and I thought that to build the team and to help my team people, this is very urgent for me to make a quick video that how they can also be benefited from this. And before launching, I want all other people who are highly interested to develop the revenue share business and make money from here. How this business is different from the other revenue share business. In this business, you can afford $5. So all the ad packs start from the $5. So you cannot skip. There are three different levels: $5, $15, $35, and $35 ad pack. You have unlimited ad pack opportunity there. It's a daily earning procedure, and you don't need to do the repurchasing, which was killing everybody. That repurchasing. Here, if you want to repurchase, you can repurchase, withdraw your money completely, and then reinvest, repurchase the ad pack again. I cannot say the invest. We don't do the investment here. The second thing is that 24 hours 7, you have access to your money, and daily basis you are making money. And also, if you refer people, you get the commission from there. Even though if you don't have the any ad pack, still you can get the commission. This is how this My 24-hour income is way different than many other revenue share business. So every business has a different characteristics. This is the one. I think that this is very close to the people who are unable to afford any business from the home. Any mother, any single mother, any less experienced person who can just click that mouse can do this business. Very simple. And I want to show you one amazing thing. You see that this is the launching time he is giving, and he has 30 days training program. In many businesses, at least you can say that the traffic exchange business or all those things, people sponsor you and they live forever, which is not the case for me and Drew Burton, that we both want to train our people to the point that people can make money and nobody lose money. So that's why I like this, because whatever money you put here to buy the ad pack, you daily basis, you withdraw that, and you are just, without repurchasing, you can make money. And how many processor? Many times we see that the processor was a big deal. Here is Payza, Solid Trust, Perfect Money, Payer, all those 4 different kind of processor are here. Easy, there is no IP address problem or anything. So this is how we can start this business. So I'm leaving my link here. Try to open a pre-account as soon as possible before launching 14 August 2016. This is our really a golden path and the heart opening, door opening opportunity to start with a small amount of capital to do the business and learn everything from Drew Barton, his experience, his skill, his mentorship. Mentor is the person who already been there and he has all the experience in a hard way to share with new people. So if you never even do any revenue share business or online business, this will be the very eye-opening opportunity for you. And I'm proud of this is a Canadian business. I'm from Canada and Drew Barton is from Canada. So the Canadian business is most welcome for launching in Canada, and we all are from Toronto. So I'm leaving my link below there. If you are interested, you can click the link, and after you open the account, you will receive an email from my24hourincome.com, and there will be your username, which is my username is ibis24. My email address is there, and the password, actually whatever password you will put there, it will be there. My password is not showing there, it should not be, and the link will be coming here, and click the link, then this page will come, and then you log in. This is how you will do the activation of your account. So after that, we'll go for the back office page video, watch this video, and then from there you can go to the Facebook 30 days training. That 30 days actually will make you very efficient and skillful to earn money from my 24-hour income. Good luck to everyone.